this video, I'm going to tear this shotgun apart and put it back together as fast as I can. So to start, take the barrel off first. Well, that's what I'm doing. Doesn't mean you have to do it too, like that. Take the pin out, trigger out, take that out, take that out, take that out. There you go. Now put it back together. That's going the wrong way. And I'm done. That's it, guys. By the way, the Russians do the same thing with an AK-47. I don't remember how fast, but I'm pretty sure it's faster than what I just did with a shotgun. But then again, it's a lot different.